So you want six-pack abs faster than monkey fall from tree, huh? Okay, listen closely. This routine hit harder than falling coconut. Only 10 minutes per morning. No gym, no equipment, just you, ground, gravity, and maybe one nosy parrot. If you want abs sharp like coconut slice, we start simple. 3 types of crunches. Yes? 3. Crunch for top abs, crunch for bottom abs, and crunch for spicy side abs, also known as obliques. These crunches, easier than stealing banana from baby chimp. But warning, do this every morning for 21 days, or I throw banana at you. Not ripe one, green, very hard. Trust me, you want the ripe result, not bruises. Okay, first move, crucifix crunch. Don't be scared. No religion involved. Just lie down like big starfish. Arms out, legs out, spread wide like banana peel fell flat. Then lift both arms and legs same time like you're trying to hug invisible banana stash in sky. Hold it top for 1 second. Tighten that belly like you protecting banana stash from sneaky monkeys. Keep eyes on sky, no neck crunching. That work your upper abs. Do 15 reps, 3 sets. Rest 30 seconds between set. If your body scream, that's good. It mean abs waking up like lazy gorilla on Monday. If no scream, do slower. Slower equals stronger. Second move, reverse crunch. This one fun. You lie flat, hands under butt. No joke, under butt. Bring knees up to chest, then lift butt off ground. Not swing, not jerk. Control. No flinging like bananas in windstorm. Slow up, slow down. Again, up, down. This attack your lower abs like termite attack tree trunk. Again, 15 reps. 3 sets, rest 30 seconds. You got this. If belly shake, it working. That muscle crying, not quitting. Third move, my personal favorite. Oblique V up. A side crunch variant. Lie on side, legs stacked. Put right arm in front on ground. That your balance stick. Left hand go behind head. Now lift both legs and upper body same time. Try touch knee to elbow, creating a V shape. You look silly, yes, but jungle monkey always look weird before strong. Abs don't care how you look, only how hard you crunch. Feel burn outside abs? That your obliques crying and getting sexy. Do 15 each side. 3 sets. No crying louder than parrot. Now you ask, but Coach Kong, how many times I must do this? How long must I suffer? Patience. Little banana. Start with 3 sets per crunch. That's 9 total sets. Each set 15 reps. Rest 30 seconds between set. Rest 1 minute between each different exercise. Enough to drink coconut water, not nap. Every morning, before you chase jungle dreams or emails, do this. Only 10 minutes. Maybe 12 if you dramatic. But wait, I hear your skeptical monkey brain asking, how fast 6-packs show up? You do this every sunrise. Eat like bird, not like hippo. And in 21 days, yes, 21, you take before and after photo. You compare, you scream, you weep, you become jungle legend. Now let's speak about food. Because even best calisthenics abs workout will lose to donuts. You want abs? No sugar tsunami. No midnight mango binge. Eat like wise gorilla, lean protein, green leaf, and drink so much water, you pee like rainforest. Diet is half of 6-pack. Workout is other half. Other half? Mindset of jungle warrior. So remember, this calisthenics workout at home needs no tools. Just your body, motivation, and maybe one banana. This is calisthenics for beginners, but even gym monkey can cry doing it. You want calisthenics abs workout? You now have jungle approved workout. And final thing, abs is not made in gym, it made in jungle kitchen. Keep diet clean, keep body moving, and if you ever feel lazy, think of me. Somewhere in jungle, doing side crunch next to waterfall, judged by nosy parrot. Do your abs routine, be consistent, and I promise, 6-pack will come. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe not Tuesday, but soon. And when it come, you wear no shirt, you walk proud, you flex, you make coconut explode with gaze alone. Now go, be jungle warrior. Monkey, believe in you.